Mechanical digestion begins in the mouth. Your teeth chew the food into smaller pieces. The chewed food is mixed with saliva, which is made in the salivary glands. Saliva has two jobs: to wet food, to help it slip down your throat, and to digest food. It contains the enzyme called carbohydrase, which digests starch to sugar. The esophagus. This is also called the gullet. It passes food from your mouth to your stomach. The muscles in the wall of the gullet contract and squeeze the food along. The way the food moves along your esophagus is called peristalsis. The stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac. It has two jobs. It produces the digestive enzyme protease, which digests proteins. It produces hydrochloric acid, which kills bacteria and provides the right pH for protease to work, pH 2, acidic. Food stays in the stomach between 2 to 3 hours, then it passes into the small intestine. Small intestine, digestion. The small intestine is about 6 meters long. Here, 3 important liquids are added to the food. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and made in the liver. Bile has two jobs. 1. It neutralizes stomach acid to pH 8. 2. It emulsifies fat. In other words, it breaks down large globules of fat into smaller globules to increase the surface area of fats for lipase to act upon. Small intestine, absorption. Absorption of food also takes place in the small intestine. It has 4 important features to enable it to carry out this job. 1. A thin lining. 2. A large surface area. 3. A good blood supply. 4. It has millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. The products of digestion are absorbed into the bloodstream through the villi and transported throughout the body. Large intestine. The food that is left is mainly undigested food like fibre and dead cells, bacteria and some water. The job of the large intestine is absorbing some of the water into the blood. The waste is now called feces, which is stored in the rectum until it gets egested through the anus.